Good morning students. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to see in unit 1 how to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers.
Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us try to list the natural numbers between 4 and 7. So as you can see, 5 and 6 are the only two natural numbers between 4 and 7. Now, can you try to find out the natural numbers between 7 and 8? Yes, you are right. There is no natural number between 7 and 8. Now, let us look at the integers that lie between -3 and 2. They are -2, -1, 0 and 1. In the first case, there are two natural numbers between 4 and 7. In the second case, there was no natural number between 7 and 8. In the third case, the count of integers between -3 and 2 is 4. This tells us that there is finite number of natural numbers between any two natural numbers. This is also true for integers. We always have finite number of integers between any two integers. Now, let us look at rational numbers. How many rational numbers are there between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? You probably will think that the answer is 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Now, is it correct to state that there are only 3 rational numbers between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? No, this is not the correct statement. Let us understand the reason. 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 80 and 7 by 8 can also be written as 70 by 80. The numbers 31 by 80, 32 by 80, 33 by 80 and so on till 69 by 80 fall between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Now, as done above, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8 can also be written as 300 by 800 and 700 by 800 respectively. Therefore, you can observe, unlike natural numbers and integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers.
There are two methods to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. They are method of equivalent rational numbers and method of averages. Now we are going to use method of equivalent rational numbers to solve few problems. In exercise 1.1, we are going to do the 7th problem. List any 5 rational numbers between the given rational numbers. First subdivision, -2 and 0. What type of numbers are they? They are integers. We know that integers are rational numbers. So I am going to express these numbers in fractional form. -2 equal to -2 by 1. 0 equal to 0 by 1. Now I am going to multiply 10 both in the numerator and denominator. 10 by 10. Similarly, you multiply the same in the next fraction also. So, -2 into 10, -20 by 10. 0 into 10, 0 by 10. Now the equivalent rational numbers for these numbers I have written here, that is minus 20 by 10 and 0 by 10. Can you tell me the rational numbers that lies between minus 20 by 10 and 0 by 10? Yes, they are minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10, and it goes on till minus 1 by 10. But we are asked to list only 5 rational numbers. So I have chosen first 5, and in the answer step I have written only the first 5 rational numbers. Minus 19 by 10 till minus 15 by 10. Second problem, we are asked to find rational numbers that lies between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Here one is negative, the other is positive. Since the rational numbers are of different sign, we know that negative rational numbers, positive rational numbers and 0 lies between them. Let us find what they are. Moreover, these fractions are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Let us convert these fractions into like fractions. First, let us find LCM for the denominators. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, we know that. So, write the given fractions below, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Now, we are going to find equivalent rational numbers for these fractions whose denominators are 10. Now tell me what number when multiplied by 2 you will get 10, 5. So with the same number you multiply the numerator also. Minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Similarly, for the second rational number, what number when multiplied by 5 you will get 10, 2. With the same number you multiply the numerator also. 3 2s are 6. Now can you find the rational numbers that lies between minus 5 by 10 and 6 by 10? Yes, they are minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, and it goes on till 5 by 10. But we are asked to find only 5 rational numbers. So I have chosen the first 5. You can choose any of the rational numbers that lies between these two given rational numbers. So the answer is minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0. Now we are going to see example problem given in page 11. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. What type of fractions are they? They are like fractions. Can you find rational numbers that lies between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7? You are finding little bit difficult to list all the rational numbers that lies between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7, isn't it? So, as I said in the first problem, you write the rational numbers given there. 3 by 7, 4 by 7. I am going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. It is not necessary that you have to multiply by 10. You can multiply by any number. So after multiplying, what will you get? 30 by 70. Here 40 by 70. So these are the equivalent rational numbers for the given fraction. Now can you find out the rational numbers that lies between 30 by 70 and 40 by 70? Yes, you are correct. They are 31 by 70, 32 by 70, and it goes on till 39 by 70. But we are asked to find only 5 rational numbers. So I have chosen the first 5 rational numbers and I have written in the answer step. So you can choose as you like. Few problems I have given you as homework. 1 by 4 and 7 by 20. Both the rational numbers are positive, so the rational numbers that lies between them are also positive. Here fourth problem, both are negative, so the rational numbers that lies between them will also be negative. Hope you all will do it correctly. Thank you.